Alright, so when we get stuck in snow, I get creative. Since we're just sitting here and it's too icky to go out there, I'm making cinnamon rolls for breakfast, you guys. James actually thought of this. This isn't low carb, but if I use a very thin layer on lavish bread, I can make my crackers. And so I'm gonna make some of those, and as I was getting ready to make those, I thought of this. I have a little bit of cream cheese, and I added a little bit of that to some of the cinnamon sugar in here. And they didn't have our usual lavish bread. This is a couple of more carbs, I think. This is the one we have. So it's honey wheat, so I think the cinnamon sugar is gonna go very well with it. So I'm gonna put it onto the flatbread, and I'm going to cut it into strips and roll it. And then I'm gonna use my muffin tins to make mini cinnamon rolls. So I'm super excited. Hopefully it turns out good and I can share this with you guys. And we don't have anything as far as like an icing, but I think this will be perfect. Just the mix of the creamy cream cheese and the sweet cinnamon sugar. Alright, my little cinnamon rolls are done. They look so good. And you could totally make these even more low carb. Instead of using that cinnamon sugar butter that I used, you could always just use some cinnamon and an artificial sweetener like stevia or something of your choice. Mix it in with a little bit of cream cheese. You could probably add a little butter in. And I rolled 2 strips together, put a little dollop of that stuff on top. It didn't melt, I'm assuming because of the cream cheese. But I bet the kids would love these too. And how much better are they for you than a real cinnamon roll? I mean, I'm sure they don't taste quite that good, but it's quick, it's easy. I went from 250 degrees for about 5 minutes to 300 for about 7 minutes on bake in my toaster oven. And you could probably do it at 300 for about 5 to 7 minutes. So it's real quick and easy. And we're going to enjoy them. I know we will. It's a little bit crispy on the outside and definitely something different. I had to come back to you guys to show you the inside. This is a little bit gooey, but it's warm and delicious. And again, the kids, you could put it in these little muffin cups, hand it to them as they're walking out the door, and they could have a couple of these. So good. I cannot wait to make more.